Eggs are, without a doubt, one of the most versatile ingredients out there. Your kitchen simply wouldn't be the same without them. Breakfast? Eggs are the star. Eggs are the perfect breakfast food. Scrambled, poached, fried, or in an omelet. They kickstart your day with protein and flavor. But wait, there's more. Eggs can transform into the fluffiest soufflés or the richest quiches. They turn simple meals into gourmet feasts. Let's dive deeper. I'm going to tell you what makes eggs so special. Eggs are packed with nutrients, plain and simple. We're talking about high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. And they're low in calories. It's nature's perfect little package. You can make a quick, nourishing meal that's also filling. And who doesn't love that? Now let's talk about versatility in cooking techniques. Boil, bake, or steam them. You can do it all. You can incorporate them into baked goods, giving cookies and cakes that lovely, tender crumb. Try a cake without eggs. It's like a party without music. It just doesn't hit the same way. Eggs are essential for binding ingredients together when baking. Think about meatballs or veggie burgers. You need a binding agent, and eggs are the perfect solution. And we cannot forget about emulsification. Eggs are the magic behind mayonnaise and hollandaise sauce. Those creamy textures, they're down to the egg. Their humble egg is the reason why. It's incredible how something so simple can transform a dish into something truly special. You can whip them into a frothy meringue that crowns a pie, or fold them into a batter to create a light and airy texture. We must also consider the cultural aspect. Eggs are a staple in cuisines around the globe. From shakshuka in the Middle East to egg-fried rice in Asia, they adapt to different flavors and spices effortlessly. They're a blank canvas ready to soak up whatever you throw at them. It's like they're saying, "I'm here for you, buddy. Let's make something delicious." Eggs are budget-friendly, period. You can find a dozen for a reasonable price, and they're perfect for stretching your meals. They're the perfect solution when your fridge is looking a little sparse. Toss them with some leftover veggies, and you've got a quick stir-fry or frittata. The next time you crack an egg, think about all the possibilities. It's not just an ingredient. It's a culinary companion that's been with us for centuries. You don't have to be a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef to appreciate the versatility of eggs. They are there to support your culinary adventures. So let's celebrate the egg, the unsung hero of our kitchens.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press notification. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.